Okay, so this is Dakota Peterson for question number 5. I didn't actually get this all the way done. I couldn't figure out the get windows feature, but I'll show you my code for this. Clear recycle bin, confirm, false, so it doesn't give me the prompt to confirm it or not. That works. Get hotfix, format table, and then I saved it under save hotfix text. I put something here in recycle bin so you can see that it'll work, but the get windows feature one, I couldn't get this one to work. It'll show up as an error. I'll show my work here in a second, but okay, so let me exit out of this. Let me run it with PowerShell. Yes, we got an error. Better empty the recycle bin. Here's that save hotfix file. And here's my work for get windows feature. It just wasn't working. I tried a bunch of different options, didn't work. So that's okay. I got some of it. Okay.